The 12 most mysterious places on Earth. There are different places on Earth that hold significance for different reasons. One such reason could be a mysterious history or legends that have no clear explanation. Even then, the legends hold some ground for which these places draw in travelers from around the world. If you wish to make a list of mysterious places on Earth that you would like to visit, here is a list to help you get started. Number 1. Bermuda Triangle. This is one place that has had much mystery attached to it. It would also give you good reason to travel to Florida and enjoy the oceans and the beaches at any time of the year. Furthermore, to visit the site of the Bermuda Triangle, you need to go to the southernmost tip of Florida. This region lies in the ocean triangle between San Juan, Puerto Rico, and Bermuda, Florida. This site is one that made many ships and planes disappear. You could visit the Ocean Discovery Center here, which houses the Treasure Room or Teddy Tucker Shipwreck Gallery. Here you can get your fill of the shipwrecks and underwater relics. These are collections from the waters off the coast. Number 2. Pyramids of Giza. The trio of pyramids that are at Giza is a familiar sight in most of our history and general knowledge books. However, that does not reduce the wonder or puzzle that these ancient historic monuments are to modern men. For instance, the Pyramid of Khufu was built around 2500 BC and is of height 481 feet. It also remains a mystery as to how ancient builders could construct the large pyramids with stones weighing 2.5 tons. Number 3. Loch Ness. To visit this site would take you to the Scottish Highlands. Here, the largest and deepest Scottish Loch Ness exists. What's more, there are many stories surrounding a supposed monster that lurks in the lake. If you research about it, you will know that the monster first surfaced in 1933. This is because witnesses saw a disturbance in the lake's surface. There was also a photo, but later the photographer admitted that it was a hoax. The theories talk about Nessie, a cryptid that could be a local inhabitant in the lake waters of the Scottish Highlands. You could opt for a camping or boating trip here to try and catch a glimpse of any creature in the waters. The sense of mystery in the deep waters of the loch is alluring by itself. Number 4. San Luis Valley. This is a desert region in southern Colorado. There are several reports of mysterious paranormal activities in this region. For instance, many saw a flying humanoid here in 2009 and Bigfoot sightings as well. The snaking stones in this alpine valley of enormous rocks are one of the weirdest geological features here. You will also find the tallest dunes here, which stand about 750 feet. What's more, the sand's origin is hard to explain as well. For instance, one wonders as to why the sand here comprises purest silica that is not elsewhere on Earth. Number 5. Nazca Desert. If you travel to southern Peru, you will come across the Nazca Lines, which are one of the mysterious places on Earth. Here you will find enormous geoglyphs in the arid coastal region which depict plants, monkeys, and spiders. These figure impressions date back to 500 BC. It is also a mystery as to why geoglyphs were part of the prehistoric culture here. People probably found it a way to correlate with the star constellations. Today it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. As per its location, you can see them best from air or from hilltops close by. Number 6. Stonehenge. You will find this ancient site a great reason to travel. You need to get to Salisbury, England to be able to see the ancient iconic landmark. However, many wonder what was the purpose of the Stonehenge. That remains a mystery even to today. However, that should not stop you from exploring the site of stone structures that mark this place. Number 7. Moa statues at Easter Island. Another similar landmark made of mysterious stone structures is at Easter Island. You need to travel to Chile coast off, which lies a Polynesian island. It is called Moai to the native Rapa Nui tribe. It was these people who built these structures about 700 years back. There are about 900 statues here that represent deceased ancestors or chiefs. You will find the statues to be of large stone slabs, about 100 meters in height and weighing about 82 tons. Hence, there is much to wonder as to how these tribes move these stones. Number 8. Hesteland Lights in Norway. This is a unique phenomenon that you can experience when you visit Norway. Hesteland Valley in Norway offers unusual light sightings in the night sky. The lights are colourful and moving. People first reported seeing such lights in the 80s. Since then, there is a project that monitors these lights. What you will find here are lights that appear by day as well as by night and seem to float through the valley. Sometimes the lights move fast, while other times they move slowly or hover in space. Hesteland is a valley in rural parts of central Norway and they appear several times over the year. Number 9. Skellig Michael in Ireland. If you visit Ireland, off its west coast lies a historic monastery that has many Christian fables and Celtic legends about it. You will know that the monastery was originally a settlement of an ascetic monk group. Monks used the monastery till the 13th century. Once here, you will marvel at the stone structures that they used to create this refuge on the island. Also, you will find visuals of the same in the refuge that Luke Skywalker took in Star Wars. Number 10. Göbekli Tepe in Turkey. This place is also called the oldest temple in the world. Indeed, you will find it to be an archaeological site that provided several remarkable discoveries. The huge pillars of the temple, for instance, weigh up to 20 tons. Also, historians estimate that the construction was done about 13,000 years back. That means laborers and hunter-gatherers worked towards achieving a common objective here. All this points to several wonders of ancient civilization. Number 11. Jars Plain in Laos. Travel to Laos to discover yet another mysterious place. It is the Plain of Jars, where research and excavation revealed stone jars that are giant, monolithic structures. Till some time, tourists could travel to this area since threats of cluster bombs were present. This was a result of the Laotian Civil War. You can read up several theories about these structures. For instance, some talk about these being cremation pods of the 30s. Others state that they were burial sites during the Iron Age. You will find it a lot safer today to visit since the bombs have been cleared of the site. Number 12. Mayan Ruins in Central America. This is probably one of the favorite sites of ancient mystery that many add to their list of adventures. Mayan ruins stretch across places like Belize, El Salvador, Honduras, Guatemala, and Mexico. Also, the Mayan ruins are worth a visit as you will find elaborate decorations, imposing structures, sheer sizes of monuments worth marveling at. The air of mystery is about how a stable, powerful and advanced society fell apart. Till today, it is still unknown how the society ceased to exist.